This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Delray Beach. Don't miss out on this fully updated 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, corner unit. In a 55 community featuring clean tile on the diagonal throughout, bright, neutral paint, updated sliding modern fog doors, and fully remodeled kitchen and bathrooms. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, granite counters and crisp, stylish tile backsplash. The spacious master bedroom offers a fully renovated and stylish ensuite bathroom. The secondary bedroom and bathroom are equally impressive and renovated with style. Enjoy morning coffee in the fully enclosed and air-conditioned Florida room, as well as the ease of use of accordion shutters when needed. This condo is located only a 2-minute walk from the Monaco clubhouse, indoor/outdoor pool, tennis courts, gym, theater and more. Close to shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact Delray Beach at 561-289-2066.